Yes, you did. Yeah.
Yeah, that's hard. But yeah, we finna do 24 hours in Bahamas. Y'all gonna enjoy the time with us. We gonna get.
You don't know how to put on your seatbelt, man.
He trying to figure out.
Man, he the one that don't know how to put it.
You gotta put the seatbelt on too.
Behind the scenes. Put my chain on.
All right, so we really just got on that boat. Feel me? Go ahead and start chopping down. Got the burgers with us. And my boy Fred, George, Quiz out in bed. Yeah, shit. Soon we gonna, you know what I'm saying? When we start the party, we gonna start talking to folks. Yeah, go from there. We gonna go around that boat. Gonna be asking people to do public interviews like always. And we also gonna have fun. And shit, we just gonna see how this shit go though. I'm looking forward to it. This is my first time on the boat, so you know what I'm saying? Bear with me. I'm gonna try to figure out everything and shit. Go from there.
Remember that I will never see these people again after the next 3 days.
Man,
We are here for a good time, not a long time.
not a long time.
On this cruise, I'm going to be the queen of giveaways. I'm going to give away an entire bucket of.
Yeah, man, I ain't gonna lie, we fucked up yesterday. We came in, went too crazy. I didn't get no footage. So I'm gonna do better today though. Today's a different day. Right now, what we finna go do, I'm finna go upstairs, get hella, do a lot of public interviews. And yeah, just grab content and go from there. So, wish me well. Hopefully we get y'all some good content. And then we're gonna hit Bahamas with a whoop. What would you rate yourself 1 out of 10?
1 out of 10?
1 out of 10.
I said a 4 or 7.
7? Okay. You think everybody else would agree with you on that?
Probably.
I bet. I'm gonna take your picture as the next girl. That's cool.
A 6.
A 6.
I don't like dread.
You don't like dreads? Damn. Okay. All right. So it's all good. What would you rate yourself 1 out of 10?
A 10.
A 10 straight up. Okay. You think everybody else would agree with you on that?
Yeah.
I bet.
Nope.
I'm gonna take your picture, ask the next person. That's cool.
Yeah.
I bet. What would you rate her 1 out of 10?
I'll give her a 7, 6, 7.
Okay, 6, 7.
Yeah.
Can you give me one reason why you give her that? Like,
It's probably the fit for me, low
the
key.
fit.
Yeah.
Okay, word, the fit. What would you rate yourself 1 out of 10, brother?
I'll give myself a calm 8.
A calm 8. All right. You think everybody else would agree with you on that?
I would think people would agree with me.
Bet.
It's like a 7.
Like a 7? Okay.
Damn.
He's got nice skin.
You got nice skin? Okay. All right. So what would you rate yourself 1 out of 10?
A 9.
A 9? Okay. You think everybody else would agree with you on that? I bet. What would you rate her 1 out of 10?
Like a 7.
7? All right.
Damn.
So what would you rate yourself 1 out of 10, fam?
Like a 6.
Like a 6?
Like a 6.
You think everybody else would agree with you on that? All right.
I give him a 5. Yeah, 5.
A 5?
Damn.
Cause I gotta see him with the glasses off.
Yeah, we can't really see his eyes for real, like, but his man cool.
Sure, cool. All right. So what would y'all rate yourselves 1 out of 10?
A 10. Cool
10?
10.
10? All right. You think everybody else would agree with y'all on that?
Why would it think?
Why wouldn't they? I'm gonna take y'all picture, ask the next person. That's cool?
Yeah.
All right,
everybody.
They pretty as hell. I already saw them on the cruise ship. They pretty as hell. Shit, they can get both 10s from me. They look like they good vibe. But it really about their personality for real. You don't want no female that talk too much and do all that, you know?
Man, what the fuck is you talking about?
was that?
I'm sorry.
What would y'all rate yourselves 1 out of 10, fam?
I'm a cool 3.
Cool 3.
Cool 3.
Wow, that's okay. That's good.
I'm like a 6.5, personality 10.
Y'all think everybody else would agree with y'all on that?
Oh, they agree I'm handsome. I stamp it.
Wait, right here? I'm gonna give it a 5 and a 6.
5 and a 6. Okay. All right, fam. Let me show y'all how we really do this out here, fam. So what you do is you set both your feet apart. You want to angle that motherfucker, right? That ain't count. That ain't count. That ain't count. Oh, ass. Set up, bro. Fuck it.
Boy, if you want to just tap that in.
There we go. There we go. Oh shit. All right. So y'all gonna see the rest. Goddamn, we finna finish up this course. Go from there. Look how we do this, motherfucker.
That's how we do this, man. Just keep your pineapple, it's your ID. It's unlimited, man. That's how we do this. And you get the black people special. Although you my boy too, man. You fuck with us. Yeah, man. We all from here.
Okay. Even I said a coconut, it was a pineapple. But bro, right there. Hey, I'm like, get it on. All the niggas said so. Look.
YouTube, I am so sorry, y'all. I am so fucking sorry. I literally forgot to vlog, bro. I'm just enjoying the moment. I ain't never been to Bahamas, bro. So we just been enjoying the moment. Goddamn, with my people here in Atlantis. We were riding around in the scooters. I wanted to record. I could probably add footage from my phone. Probably gonna do that shit. But yeah, we were riding around on the scooters. Went to the beach real quick. Now we got down, going through Atlantis. The Lost City. You feel me? I got a box of water. Straight up. Oh, this it?
Nah, other side. Oh, other side gonna take us to where the furnace.
Yeah, chat. Damn, I'm dark as hell. I need light. Yeah, man. First time on the cruise. Oh, I'm zooming in and shit. Oh. See, over here, pineapples, drinks. Guy gave me fucked up early. Hopefully I got it. Sunscreen. Gotta get a new layer on.
Box of water.
Feel me?
I'm promoting this shit.
Literally.
Box of water.
He love that moment. That shit hit. Chat. deal. They would have seen the camera and been like, damn, what that nigga doing? I don't even know what I'm finna record next. I'm gonna see if I go to the city, grab some clips, drop some pics. And yeah, just go from there. I'm gonna see y'all next stop, man.